Hey, so remember in the last vlog I said we all need to go to jackfruit school. Actually, I never said it on YouTube, but I said it on Instagram. But the point still stands because none of us know what we're talking about for jackfruit. The neighborhood on a whole never have an idea. So let me give you a quick crash course that I found on the internet from Jackfruit High School. Take a look.
Ladies and gentlemen, in the interest of time, please allow me to say all protocols observed. In this video, I attempt to explain what are the proper way to prep a jackfruit for devourment. But them say you should take a piece of flatboard and beat it, or pick it up and lick it down and it bounce right back like the man who is hard to dead. The idea is that
there's a slight problem with our jackfruit because you'll see soon, but this can use and beat it. I think it can. It's a bit big. Let me see if I find any other small one. Found a smaller one. Can use the clubber the jackfruit. Now I just spot the perfect one on the carport. So we found this. Reason I wanted something this small is because I want the children to clubber too. So this is the state of the jackfruit. Looks nice, right?
Yeah. It's very soft.
But as you go over, you will see that when it fell, it got sliced, and so it started to, kind of decay right there. But it smells like the house. It's firm and nice.
It smells like banana.
It smells like banana, right? Like red banana.
It smells good.
How does it smell to you? Smell nice?
Jackfruit, like.
It smells sweet?
It smells like jackfruit, and it smells like
Smell like jackfruit and what?
daddy.
Daddy.
Alright guys, so here's what we're going to do, right? Everybody going to get a swing and hit the jackfruit, okay? So let's step back.
Oh boy.
So this is my first swing.
Rolls down the hill.
I don't think he like that. Who wants a turn?
Me.
Alright, step back. Alright, Leila, your swing. Go. After 3, 1, 2, 3, go. No man. Swing like you eat porridge this morning. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Swing. Alright. Come, Zahra, your turn.
It's my turn.
Oh, Zahra, your turn. Your swing.
Everybody step back.
Again, one more time.
Come on, like you can play cricket.
Alright.
That
Come.
was pretty good.
Leila, take another swing. Take a swing again.
Everybody else step back, please.
1,
Zahra.
2,
Back that way.
3, go. Ah, one more time. Step back, eat it. One more time. Again. Yes. All right. Who's next?
Me.
Come, eat it. Your turn. So you're going to hold right there. Hold it. All right.
And swing.
Let me swing it around. Don't swing at me yet,
Don't swing the
All right. Come further. After 3, 1, 2, 3, swing. Again. 1, 2, 3, go.
Baby.
All right. Ava, your turn now. Careful.
I think we're mashing up
The bad part. Okay. Come, Ava. Ready?
You don't want to turn it next way.
All right. This is the last time. After this, I'm going to cut it. All right. So after this, I'm going to cut it. This is the last swing, Ava. After 3, 1,
Step back, everybody.
2,
Please.
3, go, swing. Ava, you missed.
Again, Eva. Again.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Go.
Hit it.
Swing.
Hey.
All right. Chelsea, you what's going on? We should leave you out of this. All right, no problem.
Everybody step back.
All right, so it look away,
Yeah.
but I think we need to rescue it now before it gets worse.
So
It starts to spread anymore. All right, so I'm going to cut it.
You want something to put it on?
This paper should be fine.
The jackfruit first. Yeah.
Ready? Somebody bring the camera. All right, 3, 2, 1, go! You see that?
Tell me do that. Tell me do that.
Alright, so this is our first jackfruit. It look like jackfruit?
Yeah.
This is the first. Hey, on the hand clean. Alright, go on, take one. Take one, take a piece.
It's sticky.
And tell me how it tastes. It's sticky, right? Tell me how it tastes. Tastes good? How it tastes, Zahra? You can't speak? How it tastes, Edie?
Yummy.
Yummy? How it tastes, Ava? Or
I didn't taste
you didn't
it
take
yet.
any?
Yeah.
Alright.
Leila, pee my
Alright, see your piece here.
Sticky.
Yeah.
That's not it. That's not this.
That's not piece.
No.
Oh. Alright, see your piece here.
How did you dig into it?
I soon dig into it for you guys.
Why you take away her thing?
Give it back to her, Zahra. Eat it, Leila. Ava. Oh, you don't like jackfruit?
The jackfruit on her list of things that she don't really like.
Yeah, I think jackfruit is one of the things.
She
I
doesn't
guess
like
anything that kind of tastes banana, pineapple,
I like
Yeah,
it.
Ava not really
like
a
it?
fan of it.
mango-y.
You like it? Yeah, she's not really a fan of it, so
You like it?
This
I
is
want to taste
so
it.
sweet.
let me get a piece of mommy. Oh, mommy digging in.
Of course, mommy have to dig in. Mommy have to take out. It smells sweet though.
This is the real review here
That's a seed. That's a seed.
from the international.
Wow. Oh, Lord.
You know we can
get it.
roast the seeds. Who wants to eat roast jackfruit seed?
Me, not me.
Look here, I love a jackfruit, you know. Love jackfruit.
Hope it tastes good.
I hope so
I'm
too.
playing. This is slippery. Nothing.
Good?
Whoa.
You know, I love jackfruit. Kind of crunchy
It's
and
good.
sweet.
I
Yes, sir.
So win.
Win.
Well, this is the good news. Hannah, you coming to taste any?
Hannah is not really a big jackfruit
Daddy,
person.
I eat it.
It will my piece.
I'm going to
Don't worry
get
yourself.
a bag and put it together now.
I love.
We're going to take some orders after we spray the trees with neem oil. That was I think the best recommendation from the comments. That the tree needs to be sprayed. It's a very big tree. How would it get all over there?
I don't know.
That's the thing. So we're going to work on that part.
See your climb tree.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
rub my head.
But this jackfruit, our first in over 2 years of being here, and I don't think Mr. Rasher ever got something.
I don't think so.
I don't know if it's ever bare since
God.
it's been growing. I don't think it has ever born, is that word?
Born.
Has ever born any fruit.
Well, it's God's gift to us.
Yeah, so it's our first and it's a good start to the year, thank God. There's a message in here somewhere that I'm going to think of it and then tell you after this commercial break. If you have not liked the video so far, please hit the like button. And if you dislike the video, please make it very emphatic by clicking the dislike button 2 times. The reminder this week is from Isaiah again. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary. They shall walk and not faint. Sometimes it's important to just rest, eat a jackfruit, and allow God to work. The Bible also says in Proverbs that you should not lean on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will direct your paths. So this week, allow God to lead, allow Him to direct, and trust that He will renew your strength. Yeah, this was a long week. It was a tiring week. From here. Yeah, we ended our week on Friday going to Portmore because they had a concert to end their week of prayer. Similar to what we went to last week actually at Ebenezer. And it was a good time. Tina sang, the children really enjoyed themselves, and it's always good to be among God's people, right? But we're tired because we went. I played Tina song, Hannah did her sail again, and we went and stayed in Hellshaw. Then came back up at about after 1 there about today. So it feels tiring, it feels draining. So we're catching our breath. But interestingly, what happened earlier in the week was so satisfying because it is report collection week at both the high school and the prep school. So the performance for the children in the Christmas term, the first term, was evaluated. First of all, look at my view. Look at the view. Clear, clear skies. And this is the cherry tree. But clear, clear skies all around. Ackee tree next door. Clear, clear skies. And that was their report cards. All A's. When I say all A's, I don't mean all A's and saying it like, you know, it's all A's, but I mean that there's a B somewhere or a C, a 1B or a 1C, but there are 10 A's. No, I mean, when you go through the report card, you're just seeing A's, 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 A's. Whether it's A plus or regular A, it's all A's. And that was impressive for Leila and Zahra. Then Hannah brought hers home. I don't know about you and how you performed in your 6th form years. Mine was terrible. Tina's was terrible. Went on Hannah's report card and it was A's, 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 all A's. And honestly, I took a day from work this week. And yes, my boss knows about it. I took a day from work this week and I got the email during that day off, and I was somewhere, and when I saw the email with the grades, tears, I almost cried on the place. I had to hold it together. Tears came to my eyes. I felt extremely emotional. You know, it's always it's so fulfilling to know that your children are doing well, and we're so proud of them. Supposed to hear Leila read. Supposed to hear Zahra read. Supposed to hear Hannah reason and talk to, you know, I don't know what happened in the last year since she's been to Glenmore High, but we've seen a big change in just how she's just been growing into herself, and it's something that we're super happy about. So when you go to school, you must do good in school, and salute to the children. Big up Tina as well for the job she's doing. And that brings me to this point though. We're going to continue the jackfruit school by who that? Anywho, we're going to continue the vlog by going to jackfruit school to learn how to handle the seeds. As I said guys, the jackfruit was real nice, real nice. Sorry you couldn't get any, just take our words for it. But we're going to deal with the seeds and find a nice recipe to sort that out. Need to show you something else right now though. I've been scouring the tree to see if we had any sign of any more jackfruit in the future, and not just the ones that are dropping to the ground and dying. And look what we found here. Can I find it again? See it there, look up there. Right there. You see that little big one? That big one right there? Yep. I think he's past the stage where the infestation happens. So I'm hoping, I've never seen one so big wither and drop down. They're normally very at the younger stage. So I'm hoping that is another one that we can eat soon. Tina is busy doing more work on the garden. Today I asked very boldly. We saw these on the road. Like most of what you're seeing here is salvaged, either from friends, relatives, and literally on the roadside. What is name again?
It's a heliconia.
It's a type of heliconia with this orange flower.
No, it's a type of bird of paradise. No, it's a type of heliconia.
Alright, so I'm literally going to go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT. So here's the correct info. So we saw them and we liked them, and it was beside a restaurant, and I just stopped. Tina was, of course, encouraging me to. She's like, I wish I had them all the time. I wish I had these. I said, I'm going to stop now and get it. And I went into the restaurant, asked the person who was in charge of serving, and I said, my wife likes the orange thing outside. Can I get some, please? He's like, sure. So I took up like 6, and I felt bad that I didn't buy any food, so I bought a ginger beer afterwards. But they look real nice, and the garden is filling out real nice. Anyway, back to the lesson. This YouTuber took the approach where she boiled the jackfruit seeds. She says it has a potato or yam kind of feel and taste. And she made a salad. So we're thinking to use it in a similar way, but more of a substitute for potato salad. So, you know, with a little mixed veg and mayonnaise and stuff like that. And it came together so nicely with our dinner. We didn't have any rice today. We did roasted greener pastures chicken. No, it was roasted. It was more like spatch cooked on the stove. And I roasted the breadfruit. Tina did the chicken, I roasted the breadfruit, and Tina did the jackfruit salad. And it went together nicely. So remember, neighbors, I hope you have a good week. Remember, life is a lesson. Life is like a school that you eventually have to move up in your grades, and as you learn more lessons, you have more tools to take on, you know, greater challenges. But make sure you have the right teacher. And I'm not talking about cartel. Is one teacher that could take you through this life for you to successfully matriculate to the different levels, and it's Jesus. So face this week knowing that you have the right teacher. If you don't have the right teacher, you better enroll in this school. Alright, so until next time, neighbors, it's been good catching up again, and remain curious. If you want, try the jackfruit salad, look up your recipes. Let us know in the comments how you feel about it. I saw something where there were jackfruit, that somebody did a jackfruit chips, like potato chips. I think I want to try that the next time we'll have a jackfruit harvest. So, big up from me and the host, and I wish you a great week until we meet again. Peace.